Elon Musk. Motivation quotes. I think it is possible for ordinary people to choose to be extraordinary. The first step is to establish that something is possible, then probability will occur. Persistence is very important. You should not give up unless you are forced to give up. Don't confuse education with schooling. I didn't go to Harvard, but people who work for me did. You shouldn't do things differently just because they're different. They need to be better. If you're trying to create a company, it's like baking a cake. You have to have all the ingredients in the right proportion. I always have optimism, but I'm realistic. It was not with the expectation of great success that I started Tesla or SpaceX. It's just that I thought they were important enough to do anyway. I say something, and then it usually happens. Maybe not on schedule, but it usually happens. There's a tremendous bias against taking risks. Everyone is trying to optimize their ass covering. My biggest mistake is probably weighing too much on someone's talent and not someone's personality. I think it matters whether someone has a good heart. If you get up in the morning and think the future is going to be better, it is a bright day, otherwise it's not. I don't spend my time pontificating about high-concept things. I spend my time solving engineering and manufacturing problems. It's okay to have your eggs in one basket as long as you control what happens to that basket. The thing that's worth doing is trying to improve our understanding of the world and gain a better appreciation of the universe and not to worry too much about there being no meaning. And, try and enjoy yourself because, actually, life's pretty good. It really is. You want to have a future where you're expecting things to be better, not one where you're expecting things to be worse. It's very important to like the people you work with. Otherwise, your job is going to be quite miserable. If something is important enough, even if the odds are against you, you should still do it. I don't create companies for the sake of creating companies, but to get things done. The lessons of history would suggest that civilizations move in cycles. You can track that back quite far. The Babylonians, the Sumerians, followed by the Egyptians, the Romans, China. We're obviously in a very upward cycle right now, and hopefully that remains the case, but it may not. People work better when they know what the goal is and why. It is important that people look forward to coming to work in the morning and enjoy working. Thank you.